Dynasties have risen and fallen. Some burnt books and destroyed libraries, but the spirit of knowledge was never lost. There were beacons of light to preserve our teachings. Carrying out the missions of the Prophet in guiding people, their status has been elevated, and their names inscribed in the books of history for eternity. More valuable than gold, they are our scholars, and the pillars upon which our understanding of faith stands. They are wonderful for a million reasons, but mostly because they can take us to the land of the ever after, the place we know as heaven.
Not that long ago, there was a scholar known by the name of Shaikh Murtadha Ansari. One day, the Sheikh was gifted by one of his followers with an expensive winter cloak that was so wonderful. It was of great quality and color, and the material was extraordinary. The Sheikh wore the cloak on the first day to the mosque. The next day, the Sheikh walked into the mosque and he was not wearing the cloak. So the man who gifted him the cloak wondered why. So he decided to go up to the Sheikh and find out what happened to it. The Sheikh explained to the man that whilst yes, it was a lovely cloak, he did not feel comfortable wearing it when there were so many people around him that were poor. The Sheikh further explained that he had sold the cloak and brought 12 ordinary winter cloaks instead with the money and distributed them to the poor people. In a world where we flash about our designer gear and amount importance to material things, it is refreshing to learn about scholars like Shaikh Ansari, who demonstrated to us the utmost importance of thinking about those around us in need. A scholar who understood the limitations of this earth and the importance of working for the hereafter. So at the end of time, when the day of resurrection approaches, and all those on earth will be subject to questioning, when God Almighty will call upon the scholar and then upon the worshipper, He will tell the worshipper to go to heaven, and He will tell the scholar to take those he or she have trained with them. And like that, even the student will be granted the everlasting reward of paradise for merely following the teachings of a great scholar.